Hello guys, good morning! Welcome back to our channel, Violus TV. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, please like and subscribe. And for today's video guys, pupunta tayo ng Chibaken. So good, Plantita Garden. See you there! Ayan guys, we are here. Wala yung may-ari ng bahay. Pero nag-video na agad ako. Na-amaze ako sa kanyang garden. Tapos habang nag-video ako dyan, may lumapit sa aking Japanese. Sabi niya kung nagtitinda ba daw ng halaman dyan sa bahay ng ating friend na si Madam Ella. Sabi ko hindi. Collection niya lang. Pero although nagtitinda siya ng succulents pero konti lang. Pero lahat yan halos collection niya. So ayan. Na-amaze talaga ako. Sobrang ganda. Halos puro wow na lang talaga ang nasabi ko on that day. Kasi wala akong masabi. So perfect para sa paningin ko. Bukod sa ang gaganda na ng plants niya, yung talagang mga pots, yung mga pinaglagyan niya ng kanyang mga arrangement, sobrang nakaka-amaze. A lot of effort and dedication sa ganitong kagandang garden. Sobra.
Ang daming green tea ni Madam mo. May green tea pa siya. Social. Grabe, ang laki nito. Kay Angge din to galing?
Ay, ewan ko. Kasi yung mga first time niya na noon pa daw yan. Yan ang unang-una niya yata.
Kasi ang laki, ang ganda.
Mm.
Grabe, ang ganda. Inayos niyang bonggang-bongga niya to.
Oo. Eh, ngayon ang mga asawa ko. Para wala din pumasok ng hangin.
So, totoo, tama yan. Asawa mo gumawa nito?
Oo, lahat.
Ang galing ni Kuya, bongga.
This corner is for small pots, I think. Small terracotta pots and plastic pots with a small echeveria succulents. With a cutest tiny pots and a cute succulents din. Ayan. I love it. These are so amazing. My God. No words can express. A lot of time, money and dedication for this kind of garden. It's so beautiful. I love this corner too. The lion pot head in that corner, in the left side. You're so gorgeous, man. Oh my God. And the Tito Buns, you're mine now. Tito Buns, I love Tito Buns. Variegated so much. And this plant rack, oh my God, this is so nice and fantastic. Good idea, nice idea, madam. Good job. I love it. This corner also so much beautiful. Purple delight. I love it. That violet. The vase pot. Oh my gosh. You're so gorgeous. Social. and the half jeans. Oh, so cute here. This corner also is the lashy woody part. Woody corner. The big one, succulents, the lashy, Tito Vans again. You're mine. Char. I want you. This side is so beautiful. So the color, the size color, the red, the yellow, and napakaganda. Grabe. This corner is for the hanging succulents. I think that's jade, purple delight, ghost plant, bronze, and that side is the small ioniums. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, this is paradise. Gusto kong tumambay dito at kumampay-kampay and watch them all. Oh, so nice and relaxing. I want to go back here, madam. This is all the succulents and ioniums of our friend, Madam Ella. This is so nice. And if you are plantita and looking some ideas for your garden, I recommend this kind of setup for your garden. This is so nice and amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video for today and help you some ideas for your garden. And I want to say thank you, Madam, for allowing us to show your garden. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. See you next time. Bye.